Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll learn the basics of PowerShell. PowerShell looks like CMD, but it's much more powerful. Let's start with the most useful commands you'll use every day. First, open PowerShell. You can search for it in the Start menu or open it from Windows Terminal. Once it's open, you'll see a blue or black window waiting for commands. Alright, let's start. To list all files and folders, type Get-ChildItem. This shows everything inside the current directory. As you can see, this command listed everything inside it, even hidden folders. We can even use dir here too, just like in CMD. You can also specify a folder path, like c:\users\mr.robot\document. This is my username, so change it with your username. Here, as you can see, it listed everything inside the documents directory. To move to another folder, use cd followed by the path. For example, cd space c:\users\mr.robot\desktop. By the way, you don't have to specify the path, you can just say cd and desktop the directory you want to go. I just make it traditional to type all the path. Again, if you want to see what is inside, just type Get-ChildItem. You can see in PowerShell that there are two folders, Game Collection, Hacker Lab, just like here on left. You can also use Set Location, which does the same thing. Again, you can leave typing this path. Instead, type Set Location in the directory name, in this case desktop. Let's practice how to create files and folders too. To create a new folder, use the new item command. Type -path, then the location of the folder you want to create. Add -item type directory to tell PowerShell it's a folder. For example, this creates a folder named Folder on the desktop. Whoops, my fingers got ahead of me. That should be new item space, path. Here we created our first folder. If you just type a folder name, without providing the path, PowerShell creates it in your current directory. Here we created our second folder. Now you understand how to create a folder in two ways. To create a new text file, use new item again, but set -item type file. This command makes a new file called notes.txt inside your folder. And here it is created on the left side. You can also use echo to create a text file quickly and write text into it. This will make a file called myfile.txt and save your message inside it. Here is the txt file created. Let's open it and see the message. It says exactly what we typed. Let's go to the next one. Let's create another file called File, but here, we're not creating a txt file. We're just creating a file without the extension. Here is the file, and you can see that this and the other file are not the same. To see all files and folders in your current location, type Get-ChildItem. Here you can see everything in the desktop directory. Let's copy some files. To copy a file, use copy item, followed by the source file and the destination file name. What we're doing right now is, we are copying note.txt file to a folder called folder. This folder was empty. I copied this txt file to this folder. Now we'll see how to delete a file. To delete a file, type remove item and the file name. Here I'll delete the note.txt file, and it is gone now. To delete a folder and everything inside it, add -recurse. Be careful, this removes everything permanently. Now the folder is completely gone. To print text on screen, use write output followed by your message in quotes. And here is the output. You can also store text in a variable using the $sign. For example, $message equals your text, then print it with write output message. And in the second line, you can say write output $sign message. Here is the message. To check your network details, type get net IP address. You can filter to show only IPv4 addresses using where-object. You can even use ipconfig here, just like in CMD. Here all the media are disconnected, even Wi-Fi, because I'm not using anything right now. To list only text files, type Get-ChildItem star.txt. Currently, on the desktop directory, there's no txt files, so we should go to the project folder. There we have txt file and just a normal file. To go to the project folder, just type cd project or set location project as you want. Then type Get-ChildItem star.txt again. See, only a file with txt extension just listed. While there's a file without a txt file, that command just lists a txt file. You can also do simple math using variables. Here, we add two numbers and print the result using write output. $A. A is the variable, and we assign to him 10. Then $B and assign 20. And we're creating the sum variable, and we assign to him the sum of A and B. And here we're outputting sum. Remember, sum has the summation of A and B. And here is the answer is 30. Let's review what we learned today. We created folders and files, listed items, moved around directories, copied, deleted, printed text, and even used variables. PowerShell is a powerful tool for managing your computer easily. Practice these commands every day to get better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.